Dear students, today I am going to teach about arithmetic progressions. Okay. So, arithmetic progression is very important chapter. Before going into arithmetic progression, we should know basic concept of which then only we will be able to understand arithmetic progression thoroughly, so that it will be useful for you. So, first of all, what we should learn? We should learn sequence. Sequence means what? Sequence is a list of numbers that follows some rule, some logic, some mathematical formula, or some pattern, we call it as. See, sequence is nothing but a list of numbers or the collection of numbers, or we can say it is a what you call list of number, collection of numbers, or we can say set of numbers arranged in a particular way with respect to some rule or some logic or some formula or some pattern, whatever it is. For example, now here 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. This is sequence of numbers. Second one 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Third one 1, 4, 9, 16, etc. Another one 1, 5, 9, 13, 17, etc. Another one 1, 11, 111, 1111, etc. etc. See here, see this is what, look at this 1, 3, 5, 7 and all these are odd numbers. That means here they have added 2 with the first numbers, you are getting the subsequent numbers. That is one sequence, but we call it as odd numbers. Okay. Second one you see 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Here also 2 is added, but with 2, not with 1. So here we call it as even numbers. Here you look at this 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So this we can say the squares of natural numbers. Okay. Here 1, 5, 9, 13, 17. Here what happened? Here 4 is added with first numbers. Okay, like that. Now here what you have written? Some pattern 1, 11, 111, 111, etc. Now another one 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, etc. Here what happened? Same number is repeated. This is also one pattern or some logic or some formula. So this we call it as sequence. Now what we call it as progression. Progression is a sequence where nth term can be found out. What is the meaning of that? I tell you. Now for example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Is it a sequence? Yes, it is a sequence because it follows some rule. What is the rule here followed? With every number, with the previous number, 2 is added to get the subsequent number. Okay. Now, this is first number, second, third, fourth, fifth. Can you find out the 10th term of this sequence? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the 10th term of the sequence? 20. So we can find out. How we can find out? You see, you are adding 2, 2, 2, 2. Same logic if you apply, you will get it. Okay. Can you find out the 25th term? Yes, you can find out. Can you find out the 100th term? You can find out. So here any number of the terms of the sequence can be found. So it is called a progression. Okay. Now, therefore, all progression or sequence, but all the sequence are not progressions. Why I tell you? Now I have written 1, 9, 13, 17, 25, etc. It is a sequence, it is a set of numbers, it is a what you call a collection of numbers, right? But here you cannot find out the 5th term or 6th term or 100th term because no rule is followed, no pattern is followed, no mathematical logic is followed. So this is not an progression. So all progressions are sequence, but all the sequence are not progressions. Okay. Now AP means what? What is arithmetic progression? Now example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Consider this sequence. Okay. Now here you see what is the first term? 2. Second term 4. Okay. Now can you find out the 10th term? Yes, it is 20 as I told you already. So it is a progression. Now here what is the pattern followed here? What is the pattern followed here? That means, see, with this number you are adding 2. 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 So the difference between any two numbers if you take, that is constant. See here 4 minus 2 equal to 2. 6 minus 2 equal to 2. 8 minus 2 equal to 4 equal to 6. 10 minus 8 10 minus 8 no sorry 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. So here what is the difference between any two consecutive numbers? That is 2. Here difference between any two consecutive number is constant, means same. Such progression is called arithmetic progression. Such progression is called AP. That means definition we will write. AP is a sequence of numbers such that what type of sequence? The difference between any two consecutive term of the sequence is constant. Okay. Now another example I will take. I will take another example. Same thing only. We will take little smaller example. Here you see what is 3 minus 1? 2. What is 5 minus 3? 2. What is 7 minus 5? 2. What is 9 minus 7? 2. Okay. So, this is called what? Arithmetic progression. Now, I will explain what is the meaning of that. Now, we will take, let us take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. It is an arithmetic progression. Okay. Now, each members are called terms of the sequence. Terms. So, here first term is 2, second term is 4, third term is 6, fourth term is 8, fifth term is 10. Right? Now, the first term is there. Now, what is the first letter of the English alphabet? A. So, sometimes we call this term 1 as A also. Okay. Now, look at this. What is the difference? T2 minus T1, 4 minus 2 equal to 2. T3 minus T2 equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2. What is T4 minus T3? 8 minus 4 equal to 2. What is T5 minus T4? 10 minus 8 equal to 2. Now look at this. The difference between any two consecutive term here is 2. So, difference. But here this difference is common everywhere. So, we call it as common difference. So, we call it as D. Okay. Now, what is the first term called? We call it as A. Okay. Now, look at this very carefully. Look at this. The sequence, suppose this 2 is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. This is what you call the arithmetic progression sequence. Now look at this. Suppose you put A equal to 2 and D is also 2. What will happen? A is 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 plus 3 into 2, etc., etc. So, what you will get? 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. See, this will be getting. So, what is the general form of arithmetic progression? A plus B, sorry, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Now, I will tell you what is that. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, etc. Now look at this. This is term 1, this is term 2, this is term 3, this is term 4, this is term 5. In the first term, here you see how many D's are there? No D, that I will write 0D. A plus 0 into D. See, 1 means 0. Here 1D. That means it is A plus 2 minus 1D. Here T3 means what is here? A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Now here a plus 4 minus 1 into d. Here a plus 5 minus 1 into d. Look at this. So what is the general term of an AP? So here look at this, a plus, listen here, first term means here 0, second term means 2 minus 1. So n term mean n minus 1 into t. This is the general formula to find out the nth term of an arithmetic progression. See, if any arithmetic progression is there, how can you find out the nth term of the sequence? See here, it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. You are knowing it. Suppose if you are asked to find out the 100th term, no problem. 1000th term, 1 lakh term, what you will do? So you should have one formula to find out. So this is the general formula to find out the nth term of the sequence. Okay, for example, now 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. Okay. Find T 100, T 200. That means you have to find out 100th term and 200th term of the sequence. So what we will do here? Here a equal to 2. What is the common difference? 4 minus 2, 6 minus 4, 8 minus 6, 2. Okay. Therefore, Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is T 100? Put n equal to 100. So 2 first term, 100 minus 1 into 2. So it is equal to 2 plus 99 into 2. So equal to 2 plus 180, sorry. So it is equal to 200. So what is the 100th term of this sequence? 200. Similarly, we can find out T 200, a plus n minus 1 into d. So T 200 means a is 2, n is 200 minus 1 into common in difference 2. So 2 plus 199 into 2. So 2 plus 398, it is equal to 400. So what is the 200th term? What is the 200th term? 400. So we are using the general formula to find out any terms of the given sequence. Only thing you should find out a, that is the first term, and d, that is the common difference. Okay. Now look at here. Here the formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. Now in this particular sequence, you are knowing what is the first term? 2. N we don't know. What is the difference? Common difference, that also 2. So 2 plus multiply 2n minus 2. So 2n. Look at this. This is the shortcut formula to find out the nth term of this sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. For example, you see here now T 100, Tn equal to 2n. T 100 means what? 2 into 100 equal to 200. See here, you will get your answer. Now T 200 means what? 2 into 200, that is equal to 400. So like this also you can do it. Okay. Now see here, note, in a sequence, in an AP, we can say in an AP, If the sequence are in increasing order, sequence is increase in order, then common difference is positive, and if the sequence is decrease in order, then common difference will be negative. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. It's a increase in order. Correct or not? It is increase in order. It is increase in order. Therefore, see the common difference. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. So, it is positive. Okay. Now, another example. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, minus 2, etc. Decrease in order. Now, see here difference. 8 minus 10 minus 2. 6 minus 8 minus 2. So, negative. Followed or not? This also you should understand this concept very thoroughly. Okay. Now, another one I will tell you. We will solve one example also. In an AP, 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. Find T10 and T15. Okay. Now, here A is equal to 3. What is the D? 3. So, what is the formula to find out Tn? A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now, Tn equal to what is A? 3 plus n minus 1 into 3. So, 3 plus 3n minus 3. So, it is 3n. So, for this AP, what is the formula to find out the nth term? Simply 3n. So, now here Tn equal to 3n. Therefore, T10 equal to 3 into 10, that is 30. Another one, Tn equal to 3n. So, T15 equal to 3 into 15, which is equal to 45. So, easily you can find out any terms of this particular AP. Now, what we will do is, okay, now suppose one sequence is given. How many, we will write, how many terms are available in the AP 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. 20. That means what? How many terms are available? 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, like that. How many terms are there? You can easily find out by using one term. Number of term is equal to last term minus first term upon common difference plus 1. What is the last term? 20. What is the first term? 2. What is the common difference here? 2 plus 1. So 18 upon 2 plus 1. So 9 plus 1. So in this AP, how many terms are available? 10 terms are available. Now, similarly, you can do any number of things. Now, what we will do is, we will see the other concept. Now, in the next class, we will see the related things. Okay.